Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk about gift set for her from Blably Blue. So let's begin with the video. Before I do so, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and now let's get started. For everyone who's thinking, what is this name Blably Blue? Let me just clear it up. It simply means I love you, and that's so cute. So I love the name. It's very quirky, it's very different, so I do like the name. And this is the gift set for her. It literally looks like a love letter, right? And that's what the concept is all about. This literally is a love letter to yourself. The packaging is so nice, quirky and nice. Literally looks like a love letter with a seal. And all the details are mentioned behind. This box contains 3 perfumes for her, which are 30 ml each. And the total price of the box is 1200 rupees only. At their website, blablybluelife.com, they currently have some offer on this as well. And I saw that the price was around 850. Go and grab it, girls. Like, this is the steal deal. And even if you are a guy watching this video, want to give something to your girl, just go and grab this one. These perfumes are wholesome. It's a wholesome experience, and I just loved the perfumes that they have picked in this combo. I'll come to that. There are 3 perfumes that are present in this. I'll come to the variants and all, but let's get through the packaging first. So it comes like an envelope with a seal, and once you pull open this seal and open, this is how the box is sitting inside. There is of course a message here which says, this is more than perfume, this is a love letter to you, because you're unforgettable, unapologetic, extraordinary, and super amazing. And Blably Blue is written right here. So a very strong message that every woman, every girl needs to hear every now and then, because we forget our own worth and we let people walk over us. So perfect message in the love letter. Now this is how the box is. It literally is kind of like a wooden box which you can reuse and repurpose for several other things. Like, you can store your perfumes, your decants, maybe you can store your jewelry. This is something which you can literally customize, make it your own way, or if you like red, let it be as it is. Open the box. This is how the perfumes are sitting inside. How the packaging is, it's not cardboard, it's not throwable. This is something that you can reuse, so I really love that concept. So these are the 3 perfumes that you get along with this: White Jazz, Cookie Crumble, and Hot AF. Let's get started with each of these. So let's talk about White Jazz. This is how the White Jazz bottle looks like, by the way. And you know what, I've already spoken about these perfumes in my earlier video on my channel, but I just wanted to make a dedicated video on this gift set and let you know which 3 perfumes are specifically for women. So White Jazz is mainly white florals in a bottle. It literally is tuberose and jasmine. It's kind of like that 90s Vogue glam sort of a vibe going on here. The white florals, especially the tuberose and jasmine, so beautifully done, with a little bit of woody and muskiness playing in the background. There is no sweetness in this fragrance. This is through and through a floral fragrance, and that too a white floral fragrance. There is no hidden rose in here, okay? It's purely white florals, and it has a very elegant, classy, sophisticated kind of a vibe going on. Something which is perfect for office, that you can wear during daytime, because it's very kind of like floral and breezy and airy as well, but also has like a good performance to it. So, you know, it's like elegance, sophistication, but also with the performance of long lasting and good sillage and good projection. This literally gives me 8+ hours of longevity with around 7 to 8 sprays. It keeps projecting in terms of white floral wisp throughout the wear. So love the performance on this one, and so is the price point. These are so inexpensive that I just feel that if you get this one box, you are literally sorted for all moods. Now it gives a 90s Vogue, jazz and red wine, vinyl and velvet, and bibliophile. That's exactly what they have mentioned in their box, and I couldn't agree more. Now the second perfume is Cookie Crush. Now Cookie Crush will make you feel that this is like a very gourmand, sweet, caramel kind of a fragrance. But instead, this is like a berry-licious fragrance. This is berries meeting lilac meeting vanilla. And you know, even though it does have a touch and go of a cookie feel to it, but it's technically not like a gourmand fragrance in my opinion. This is like a berry-licious fragrance in my opinion. I think I did not show you the sprayer on this. The sprayer is very good. Like, the throw is just amazing. This literally has a jammy berry feel to it, with some florals playing in the background and lots of sweetness added by vanilla. Think of movie nights, dream girl, oversized hoodie, late night cravings. That's the feel that they have mentioned on their box. You know, this gives me a very playful, flirty, naughty girl kind of a situation, and this is something that smells very fun. Like, It is something very fun and playful. I think this will do really well during daytime. Yes, you can wear it to office as well. Just because I said it's flirty, it's not that you can't wear it in an office setup. Of course you can wear, but this is like, somebody who is very lively, somebody who is like life of the party kind of a girl. So this is very outgoing sort of a fragrance is what I feel. So love the vibe on this one. Has a very happy, joyful vibe to it. Again, performs great. I get around 8 hours of longevity, and again, the projection and sillage is amazing. The third and the last perfume that I want to talk about is Hot AF. Now, Hot AF is your lilies meeting blackcurrant with some truffle note. Now, I know that Hot AF and Cookie Crumble may sound a little similar, but trust me, to my nose, they are very different fragrances. This has much more nuances to it than what is mentioned on the box here. I definitely get a citrusy opening, and I do get like a very mature, earthy, woody patchouli feel in this fragrance, although it's not mentioned, but to my nose, I definitely get that. I somewhat feel that this may have like a chocolate note playing in the background, which is giving that sort of like that dark energy and that earthiness, or that feeling of being very sexy and you know it, but you want to keep it subtle. It just has that kind of a vibe. On the box, the mood and the vibe that they say is CEO girl, femme fatale, late night drives, main character energy. Yes, it definitely has that. In fact, these are the exact keywords that I was also thinking, that, it just has this boss lady kind of a feel to it, and that's exactly what they have explained on their box. One thing I like about Blably Blue fragrances is their packaging is very simple but very detailed. They are covering the vibe of the fragrance or the mood of the fragrance. They're covering the major notes, like the family basically, the pricing, and like the manufacturing details. Like, it's a very simple box, but a very wholesome experience. Need I say anything about the performance? This again gives me a 7+ hour mark in the terms of longevity, and the projection in sillage is loud. All in all, I'll call this like a very wholesome box, a very good experience in terms of perfumes. This is something which I think anybody would admire if they receive as a gift. I think this is a perfect gifting option. Even if you are looking for Blably Blue fragrances, and even if you want to select Blably Blue fragrances for yourself, you can go and pick this box. 850 rupees on their website currently, and 330 ml fragrances. This will literally last you for more than 3 to 4 months. So I think you're really sorted in terms of getting good scent profiles, fruity, floral, and kind of like a patchouli sort of a fragrance, all in one box. What else do we need? There is only one critique, if I have to add, is that Cookie Crumble I wished was a little more gourmand, so that this experience was very wholesome, because you have a floral, you have a pure gourmand, and you have like a fruity floral situation going on. So that way this would have been a complete box in my opinion. So Cookie Crumble could have been a little more gourmand than what it was. So that's like the only thing that I feel could have been improved here. So that completes today's video. That was my overall review for the gift set for her from Blably Blue. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. These fragrances are available at blablybluelife.com. You can go and check out for yourself if you love to experience these fragrances as well. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.